Hey guys, I'm back. Alright, so here's what's going on. Oh my god. Here's what's happening. We're at Multnomah Falls in Oregon. You'll see what it is. We're about to go on a hike and then take photos, and then that's it. That's all we're doing today. And tomorrow I'm flying out to go see my family, and you'll hear and see more about that later. And yeah, that's I always say, yeah, that's it.
Today, Junior.
It's so crowded, you know I hate crowds. I hate my life. I hate my life. This is the second drone I've now destroyed. Look at it. Just getting pelted with water. Right there. Ugh. Look at it. So annoyed. And drone rescue in 3, 2, 1. Just in case you're not a drone expert, that's not really supposed to happen. I hate my life. You know, one of my big arguments for allowing drones in national parks and is that people don't really crash them or drop them that often. Yeah, that's the bullshit.
You got that fidget spinner while you're down there.
What is that?
You got that fidget spinner while you're down there.
Shoot. Okay. We just realized there's a fidget spinner down there.
Just watch this right here, lover boys.
Will you record me getting it? Fidget is life.
What is he doing?
He dropped his drone down there and he went to get it, and now he wants to get the fidget spinner. Yeah, he broke it.
That is not a situation you want to be in.
All that work for that?
Did. No way.
I called it.
Fine. You can have it. I got it, guys. It's okay. I saved the fidget spinner. So one broken drone later, and one Multnomah Falls experience later, we are at the Vista House. What's it called? Vista Viewpoint?
Yeah, it's the Vista House.
Something like that.
They'll call it Crown Point, Vista House.
Oh, that's Andrew, Brian's brother, by the way. Can you see the resemblance?
Hey.
They're also twinning.
Oh, they are. They're matching. Dark blue and then cargo and then black shorts. Shoes. That's the word. Shoes. So here's what's going on today. I'm headed to the bus. And I don't mean our bus, I mean the city bus. You see, I'm headed to the airport. Oh man. Because I'm going home. Just for a little bit though. My grandpa's having some health issues.
The doors are closing. Train departing. Please hold on.
the part where we hope that nobody sits in either of those two seats. But hey, what?
I get the window seat.
So somebody sat next to me, but it's okay because she offered me some of her voodoo donuts.
Good afternoon, actually. Welcome aboard from the Flight Texas here. Captain Shoneman speaking. It's our flying time to Houston today. 3 hours and 38 minutes. Looks like a real beautiful day in Houston right now. 88 degrees, a few scattered clouds around the area, and winds out of the northeast, light and variable. On behalf of all of us here at United, I'd like to welcome you aboard. Sit back, relax, enjoy the flight.
Last one off the plane. Now we wait here and then we wait here and we just wait and wait and wait until my next flight, which is like in an hour. So right now. We're in Houston, by the way. This is where I grew up, kind of. I split my time in between Houston and Austin, and I've lived in both for really long periods of time. I'm gonna shave. That's what we're doing right now. I'm shaving. I'm really not the biggest fan of Houston. But I'll tell you what, it's a really nice airport, so good job. Round 2. It's in my favorite city in Texas. And the process repeats itself. Now we wait. It is so hot. Finally made it to the best city in Texas. I love it. It's so hot though. It's literally like 95 degrees right now. It's miserable. It's nighttime. It's not supposed to be this cold. It's supposed to be like 70. Alright, so my family's about to pick me up at the airport. That's where this vlog is gonna end. And then, good deal. Hi guys! That's all, folks.